Welcome to all of you. In this video, we are about to discuss about an important aspect of our research work, that is results and discussions. Here, we are mainly concentrating on the differences between the sections called results and discussions, how they are going to be presented in any research work. Did it be research paper or did it be thesis? We have given a small thing like comparative type of discussion is going on out in this video. Please look into these aspects. Very first, when it comes to results, here in results, we present only the external data. We don't go for any other, what you call case studies or all those type of things. We don't prefer here. Most of the times experimental investigation is carried out, and depending upon that, the data, we go with the research work in the results section. And we explain here how we are going to implement it in this experimental data and what are the tools that are going to be used. Everything will be in technical wise, but not in assumptions. When it comes to discussions, here, while we explain the entire concept of research work, we discuss about all types of outcomes. Whatever will be outcomes means the findings, what we are going to get this research work, all those things with respect to their applications, with respect to their prerequisites, all of them are clearly explained here with an elaborated way in discussions. Now, coming to results, we discuss here the inclusion of statistical analysis. Means we discuss here the objective type of methodology in results. Means for saying one system is better or not, we must have some parameters to be discussed. Those parameters are discussed in the results section, and for that purpose we have different formulae and different equations, and we make a tabulation of those values. Then we say that this so-called findings are good or not with respect to those statistical analysis, and we compare the existing methodologies and the proposed methodologies. Now moving towards major outcomes are listed. Means here in discussions, we just go ahead with whatever that has been discussed in the entire thesis or paper from beginning to last, like a stage-wise approach. Means in the first stage we discussed, we have achieved this, and we have achieved so and so algorithm, and we have achieved these results. Like that, we start preparing step by step. Means we discuss about each and every finding in a very elaborated manner. Next, we here in result section, we are about to present in a particular organized manner. Means it is like how the data has been considered, and we prepare a flowchart here. In the flowchart, how it has been pre-processed, and later how it has been gone for post-processing stage. Like that, we prepare everything in an organized manner while we are discussing about the results in a research work or research article. When it comes to discussions, here not only presentation but also we are going to interpret the findings, what have been identified, and the explanation is carried out thoroughly with respect to all their parameters, and giving out as much as meaningful thoughts that have been derived from the research work. Next, in the results, we present whatever the results we get, like in the form of figures, that is pictures or images, the text, the tables means what are the statistical parameters we put down with respect to what, to explain how well the system is sustainable. Next, we draw, depending on the two tabular column values, we draw the plots as graphical representations such that we give a clear picture of the work is best with respect to subjective analysis as well as objective analysis. And keep it in mind that we don't have any speculations. Means no imaginary values are presented in the results. If we present imaginary values, the results section will become very, very weak, such that we don't present any imaginary values. No speculations are there. Only the results what we have achieved from our experimentation will be provided in the results section. That is in the terms of pictures, in the terms of statistical values, in the terms of tabular values, in the terms of graphical plots. Next, when it comes to discussions, once we have listed the findings and we have interpreted and explained that entire findings, we at the end stage are going to mention what are the limitations that have been faced through the work, if any are there, and also try to compare and compare the different methodologies that have been carried out on the same concept or the same application in the previous published works also. In this way, discussions will be ended, whereas results will be ended with respect to the pictures, the tables, the graphical plots. Discussions will end with the comparative analysis. This is how the results and discussions are explained in any research work, and these are the difference between results and discussions, how they are going to be framed in a research paper or research work or the dissertation. Keep these points in mind and don't get confused, and try to clearly explain what is the difference between results and discussion with respect to your results. Then you will understand what is the problem you are facing in your research work. Hope this video has helped you. I request you to subscribe, like, and share all our videos for the usage of the academic and research fellows.